All right, everybody. So what we are looking at today is solving two-step equations. So we've done a bit of these in class already. It's based on the stuff we did yesterday. We're just adding another step. So again, as with every solving equation sheet we ever do, the whole purpose is to take x or whatever variable it is and get it alone on one side and get a number on the other. So I'm going to start off with a couple easy ones. And then I will walk you through those. Yeah, so let's start with number 5. So we have negative 4 is equal to r divided by 20 minus 5. All right, so again, we want to get the letter alone on one side of the equation. So the first thing I can see is I have this negative 5. I want to get rid of that. The opposite of subtracting 5 would be adding 5. And if I add 5 to one side, I must add 5 to the other side. This would cancel, that's a 0 pair. Negative 4 plus 5 would be 1. That is equal to r divided by 20. And now I need to get rid of the divided by 20. So again, always doing the opposite. The opposite of dividing by 20 is multiplying by 20. And if I multiply one side by 20, then I need to multiply the other side by 20 as well. Okay, and so r divided by 20 times 20, this is going to cancel. And then I just have r left. And 20 times 1 is 20. And so that's my answer right there. Another one with maybe a little more to it. Let's go to 13. So we have 144 is equal to negative 12 times parentheses x plus 5. Now remember, when we're distributing, that means you have to take this negative 12 times both things on the inside, not just times the x. So I'm going to take negative 12 times the x. That's going to be negative 12x. I'm going to keep my 144. I'm going to take negative 12 times 5, which gives me negative 60. Now I need to get the x by itself. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of the minus 60. The opposite of that is adding 60. So then this would cancel. That's my 0 pair. This would be 204. And that'd equal to negative 12x. And then I would divide both sides by negative 12, because what I had was negative 12 times x. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I divide both sides by negative 12x. This cancels. That gives me x. And this would give me negative 17. All right. So one more. Let's go to the next page here. I'll tell you what, let's do number 17, just because these ones can be a little bit tricky as well. So this one, now we have n plus 5, but all of that is divided by 16, negative 16 I should say, and is equal to negative 1. So I have n plus 5, all of that divided by negative 16 is equal to negative 1. So the first thing I'm going to have to do here is I'm actually going to have to multiply both sides by negative 16. Okay, so if I multiply both sides by negative 16, the right side will turn to regular 16, positive 16. And here, this quantity, n plus 5, divided by negative 16 times negative 16. So if I'm going to divide and then multiply by the same amount, that's going to cancel. And then I have n plus 5 is equal to 16. And my last step is to subtract 5 from both sides. N is equal to 11.